Hello student, in our today's grammar class, we shall see about the clauses. So many children scared about the clauses. They are not able to differentiate and they can't identify the kinds of the clauses properly. This happen only the lackness of practice, because it is taught by the teacher in every class, but we forget it. We never do any type of practice. Okay, let us see. Today we shall discuss about only the noun clause. First of all, what is clause? Clause is a group of words which has subject and predicate. What the subject? In earlier classes we learnt that subject, one who does something, and predicate, whatever happen with the subject. Remaining part is the predicate. See, we shall take one example. The principal arrived when the function began. When the function began. See here, it is definite that principal arrived, but when the function began. This is the main clause. For example, we can take that teacher told something. I told something to the student. Now I am taking the real example. I told to the student, I will take the test tomorrow. Now I told something to the student. This is definite कि मैंने कुछ तो भी कहा. I told something. What? The teacher may tell, tomorrow will be holiday, tomorrow I shall take the test, tomorrow I shall teach you the chapter number 3, whatever may be, but something she has told. कुछ तो भी definitely teacher ने कहा. Something she has told. Principal arrived when the function began. Principal arrived, this is the main clause. And when the function began, this is subordinate clause. Subordinate clause started with some subordinators. What are that subordinators? Although, as, if, till, though, because, before, that, even though, even, if. These are the subordinators. Your ideas will be clear from the examples. Just like we shall take, I think he is crazy. I think this is the main clause. I think this is main clause. Now see, I think this is the main clause. He is crazy is the subordinate clause. Now, this is the boy who eats vada pav all the time. This is the boy. This is the boy. This is the boy, main clause. And who eats vada pav all the time? All the time. This is subordinate clause. This is subordinate clause. Again, we can take more example. Although she tried, she could not succeed. See here, although she tried, subordinate. Although she tried, she could not succeed. See here, now although she tried, this is subordinate clause because it is started from the subordinators. Subordinator. What happens? Most of the students make mistake here. From the starting, they think that starting of the sentence is the main clause. It is totally wrong. Not at all. See, although she tried, it is started from subordinator. That's why this is the subordinator clause. Although she tried and she could not succeed, this is the main clause. She could not succeed, this is main clause. Is it clear? We will discuss more about the noun clauses. That he will pass is certain. He will pass is certain. That he will pass is the subordinate clause. And it is certain. This is the main clause. Again, take this example. She will pass. Okay, we can take. It is certain that she will pass. It is certain that she will pass. Now see that she will pass subordinate clause and it is certain is the main clause. Is the main clause. If this sentence is given like that he will pass is certain, that he will pass is certain. Till you have to write that he will pass is the subordinate clause and this is it is certain is the main clause. Again take one example. I am afraid that my mother will be angry. I am afraid, main clause. And that my mother will be angry, subordinate noun clause. That my mother will be angry, subordinate noun clause. See, so whatever you feel it is right. Here, see the new example. So, whatever you feel is the right. Now see here, so this is the main clause only. So, main clause. And remaining part, whatever you feel is right is the subordinate noun clause. This is all subordinate noun clause. Is it clear? Yes. In another our video, I shall take about the adjective clause and adverb clause. Whatever I have, I don't have modern technically or high technically things to take educational videos. So I have to take a lot of trouble, and it is request to all my dear students, you watch it, you see it, and take the use of this video. Okay? Thank you.